It's rolling. Hold on, let me just check the shot from the front. Okay, sick. How's mine? How's mine?
It's off.
I'm looking at the outer limit sign right now. Did you fix it?
Yeah, I think it's pretty good.
If it's open.
I don't think it is.
It's recording. Do you see yourself in frame?
Yeah. Oh, that's right. Other people can take off their goggles.
Not much you can do about that.
Oh, yeah, that's hard though. Because you want the...
I thought her hand was on fire. It's like this red thing, like flapping. It looked like a flame. That was weird. Okay.
Where are we going?
Bear claw again, I think. Yeah.
Bear claw?
Yeah. Let's do that again. Oh. Though. Whoop. I need to re-clip these. Okay. Après vous.
Okay. Hello, camera!
That's gonna be a fun shot.
Every time. Every single time I come down here, I'm just...
You heard what Tony was saying when you were taking your lesson.
What?
You remember what Tony was saying when you were taking your lesson?
Uh-huh.
You know what you gotta do, boys? Go make yourselves a lot of money. And just do this for the rest of your life. I was like, well, you can go ahead and make money. I might or might not. We'll see what happens.
I mean, you never know what's gonna happen. You might even win the lottery. Who knows? You might get a fantastic job at a fantastic university. In fact, I think it'll probably happen. I think you can do it.
All right, we'll see. All right, I'm gonna take it down to the chairlift. Well, like, you know, that one right there.
I caught some air on that.
Think, man, I have to see it again.
Oh, shit.
No cloud. Let's do sky burst this time.
Skyburst?
Yeah, I think it's actually easier than bear claw. Yeah, I think
left side, right?
I think it's actually easier than bear claw.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Who's first? Who's first? like a cliff from here. It's probably not that bad, but it just looks scary. Killington is a little less people.
You got the right side of the trail open if you like, but yeah, it's a little busy.
That's tragic.
Wow. You did a lot of damage there. Not really sure how to help in this situation. Yeah, never mind. This is definitely not easier than bear claw.
No, that is ice.
Yes. I did not take that very well. A slip slide down the whole thing. I kind of want to do it again, but I don't think we should.
I kind of want to, but like...
Do that one first.
I want to do that again, yeah. I can't even...
Ice adds at least one grade to a ski slope. An icy green is like a blue, at least. An icy blue is at least like a black. An icy black is at least like a double.
Is my thing still blinking? Is it still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, sick. All right.
Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking.
Everyone's slipping there.
I know.
That whole middle patch is just straight up ice.
I don't know what I was thinking.
I
There's
tried
no way
turning.
this is easier than that.
I tried turning like this, and I couldn't turn. I just slid.
Yeah. All right. Well, here we go.
Honestly, though, I really want to do that again.
What?
Call me a masochist, but that was kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie.
That was impressive.
You keep going. fell in front of me. I didn't want to run into it.
Yeah, I know. I had a couple people kind of cut off my path too.